All right, guys, completely different theme today. This is how not to let your daughter or your wife light your house on fire. Completely uncar related, but good to know because this washer and dryer sits in one of our garages that happens to have a roadster in it. So if you notice, this is the Lint screen. You guys are all used to seeing those, right? But it's not sitting all the way down. That is not a good thing. So, you're supposed to keep the lint screen clean, because if you don't keep the lint screen clean, then it gets hot, and when it gets hot, it can cause fires, right? All right, here's what happens when it's not sitting down. Something's jamming it up, right? Look at all that lint my wife and daughter have accumulated here because of our dog and stuff. So, I'm going to use pick tool like this. Right? You push the button here. Let me see if I can do this. Push the button here. Pick comes out down there. So we're just going to try to grab a piece just so you can kind of get an idea. Like that. All right. So what'll happen is this will go down in the exhaust of the, it'll go down into the exhaust. So it'll, let me see if I can get a light here. Sorry, guys. It'll break loose right here. It'll go down in the chute. And then when it's sitting in the chute, you know where that aluminum pipe is? Way back in there. It'll light that pipe on fire. Well, it will get so hot it can light the pipe on fire in your house or in the wall of your house, and you won't know it until it's too late. So that's my quick and dirty tech tip for the day. Garage safety by projects. Have your wife subscribe now and your kids. So we're not just about fixing cars today. All right, that's it. I think we're back on the Porsche a little bit later. So have a good time, guys. It's Super Bowl Sunday. Enjoy.